What I love about hospitality is that no one day is ever the same. Always chaotic. We might start out with the best laid plans, but you have to pivot. You're looking at, are the guests satisfied? What are they telling us from the day before? What do we have to do to schedule tonight? What's maintenance got on their plate? The next day you come in and you have the same thought process. Okay, there's my plan, but then the plan gets wiped off and you start again and just manage the chaos, and I love it. We are a 210-room Hampton Inn Suites. We have an F&B operation, which is unique to our property. We get the fun job of hosting Lawyers in 1 week and Comic-Con the next. Maybe a Suns fan or a Diamondbacks fan comes in to see their favorite game. Our 40 employees that we have really have to be versatile in serving that leisure guest and then serving the business guest. You know, there's never enough time in the day to make sure that your team is happy, your guests are happy, and then all the admin stuff on the back end is probably the biggest challenge for us. So being able to maximize our time to be guest-facing as much as possible as a manager is key. Every day, each of the PMT get in and review the data from the night before. We're looking for our data cleanliness, making sure that the exec or the assistant exec got the numbers in from what the housekeepers are cleaning, and then taking a look to make sure that the labor data is in line to what we sold. And it also lets us see if the team from a housekeeping standpoint is in line with their minutes per room. Did they clean the rooms, you know, with the 30 and 15 that we give them? All right, guys, let's take a look at the 5-minute daily labor check-in from yesterday. The weekend was very slow. So when we look at these numbers, we're gonna see a lot of red. Having the 5-minute check-in makes it a 5-minute process, literally, from what took us like an hour to go through and calculate the numbers. So it's really nice to have profit sword feed into hotel effectiveness. Our time and attendance feeds into hotel effectiveness, and then our PMS feeds as well. So it allows us to kind of have a one-stop shop versus having to pull the data manually. So it does save a ton of time. Hotel effectiveness really is a one-stop shop. It's an easy way to see where you're at. And my hotel alone was able to cut 30% year over year just by having the PMT focus in every day on getting those extra minutes out. So you can imagine the impact across our whole NCG portfolio. Hotel effectiveness really lets us look at each individual team member, and it's really allowed the executives and the assistants to really work through that process with the team, use it in their one-on-ones. We use it in a weekly huddle so everybody kind of knows where they are.
We are doing minutes per room today. We're going to talk about the week of the 21st through the 28th of May.
I think my favorite thing about hotel effectiveness is the power that it gives our managers, our department heads. You know, my executive housekeeper, my assistant general manager, my chief engineer all have the ability to manage their department's labor at a click of a mouse. They're held accountable to their own labor for their department. 1, 2, 3, Hampton!
The focus of my job is to maintain our hotels. We want to keep everything nice and clean and in working order for our guests. So on the day-to-day, we're using Transcendent to take care of our room PMs, equipment, maintenance and service, and as well as our vital systems. With Transcendent, we're able to track every time one of my team touches a piece of equipment. They'll scan the QR code, allowing us to track how long they worked on the project, and then Transcendent will keep a history of every work order, every time that we've PM'd that equipment, and what has been done in the past. It allows us to keep track of our equipment PMs so that we're able to get eyes on it on a regular basis, get work done before we have problems develop. I'm able to track my vendors. I can put their companies into this program so I can keep track of who's been here outside of our company and what work they've done in our properties. I love that I can keep track of my inventory potentially. We have all kinds of useful aspects of Transcendent that I'm even just learning more and more about.
It's definitely made things so much easier. The data accuracy piece is key. You're not relying on your night auditor to enter the numbers or someone else to enter the numbers. The data is feeding in real time from real systems. Simple tasks like balancing the day. We can do that within 5 minutes versus it used to take like a half an hour at least if all the data was right. I think my favorite thing about Profit Sword is how the data allows everyone to learn. And it's really been a game changer, I think, for us and how we can come through on the bottom line.
So managing a successful hotel is all about connecting the dots. And Actabl really helps us do that. Hotel effectiveness is key to keeping labor in line to budget. Profit Sword really allows us to make sure we're on track with forecast and budgeting, profitability. And Transcendent really helps us to make sure that our building's in good shape. They all kind of tie together to make sure that we're successful.